Everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you the my secret of English speaking. Yes, how I improve my English speaking. So there's just one secret which I'm going to tell you is reading. Yes, I read newspaper every day. Even though I do not have the newspaper on some day, I read book. Like the book I would like to suggest you is Word Power Made Easy. Yes, you can buy this book from the market. This is published by the S. Chand publication. So that book is called, name is called Word Power Made Easy. You will find the book name in the description also. And newspaper, how? I read newspaper every day. I follow the Times of India, which is a very good newspaper which would like to tell you. I read English newspaper every day because it improves my confidence, it improves my fluency as well as it improves my vocabulary. Whatever the new words I got from the newspaper on a regular basis, I just write down these letters at my diary and find out the meaning on the Google so that I can use these words in my next English speech. So reading really helps me. One more thing, the book which I'm going to tell you is Word Power Made Easy, published by the S. Chand publication. Why this book is very important? You will find a lots more vocabulary in this book because this book is based on vocabulary to build your vocabulary. When you learn the word, you will find the pronunciation of that word and how to make a sentence by using that word. So that is why this book is very important and it is very good book I would like to suggest you. How newspaper really helps me because I got connected with the what is happening in the world. I got the news about the economics, about the sports, and I improve my vocabulary by the help of reading newspaper. So reading is very important. If you also follow these steps, if I can improve my English speaking by using these easy steps, so you can also improve your English speaking by using these steps. What is these steps is start reading newspaper on regular basis. Start reading the book buy from the market Word Power Made Easy. It is a very famous book. You will find the book in any bookstore. If you do not have the newspaper, you can read online on the Kindle, or you can read the online books, or you can read the magazines. But newspaper is very good. Book a newspaper for a month, read newspaper every day because it will really help you a lot, and you will got the information about the jobs also on the Wednesday, the Times of India. The you will get the Times Asian newspaper basically where you will get the news about the jobs that you can also apply. So it is also good for opportunity also. If you are applying for the any job in a corporate or a MNC, so you will find out the jobs in the Times of India also. But there are the several ways to find out the jobs also, but you can use the Times of India newspaper to improve your vocabulary, to improve your confidence as well as your fluency, because when you will read little bit louder, so it will improve your fluency. When you will read the letters one by one, when you will read whole the article, so you will feel that how the improvement is going on in your English speaking skills, and that's all you want, because English speaking skills is really matters a lot. Even you are preparing for interview, or you are preparing for IELTS examination, or you want to go for corporate or MNC jobs, or you are preparing yourself for giving a speech in your college. So this thing is really going to help you a lot. But if you will do the practice regularly, English, we all know that it's a foreign language. If you really want to develop your speaking skills, your communication skills, so you need to be up to date. Yes, you need to be make your standard high by the help of reading. And you just need to do one thing, spend 1 hour regularly. Yes, at least spend 1 hour regularly to improve your English communication skills. Because when you will spend your 1 hour like reading, learning vocabulary, and it will improve day by day. Your confidence will improve day by day, your fluency will improve, you will improve the vocabulary in your mind, because when you will learn the words, so the words will enter in your mind, in your subconscious mind, and you can use these words in your next English speech, because these words will store in your memory. When you will recognize a word, when you will learn a word, so this will store in your memory, and you can use these advanced words in your next English speech. So that's all I would like to tell you, is the main thing is matter is improvement, because improvement will come only when you will practice, when you will do the communication practice on regular basis. So that's all I would like to tell you in my today's video, that what was my secret of English speaking I have told you in my today's video. So you should also follow these steps, because if I can improve my English by following these easy steps, so you can also. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.